just showing you how I use my purifying gel to clean my face, but also take off my makeup. So here I go. Just follow along. I'm gonna pull back my hair. So it's easier to do. This is my YIOUR Purifying Gel Cleanser. And then I take my cotton balls and then I just make them wet. So here they are. Right here. And then I take a little pump of my purifying gel, only about this much. Got it? And then I just go, take my hands, make my lather. You can go ahead and put it all through your eyes. It's okay, it's not gonna hurt it. A little bit more water. So you can see the makeup's on my eyes. I'm gonna take my cotton balls and just go ahead, circle around there. It's not stinging my eyes. I'm not pressing too hard. I'm going to show you my cotton balls, so it does take the makeup off, and gently around the eyes. So I kind of do like a little two-step of more water. And then I'm going to do it just a little bit more. So this one's done. I got this whole makeup off on here. Do another little test of this. Yep. And I'm going to take it again and repeat. Just to make sure that I get most of the makeup off under the eyes and around the eyes. You can see I'm going to do my new cotton balls, water them, put some water. Here we go. Just get the excess of the makeup around the eyes. Don't press too hard, it's not good for your eyes. But you can see I'm getting the residual of whatever makeup was on my eyes and then around the face. Perfect. You guys are gonna love this product because it makes your face feel so clean. You can see I have more makeup on. I'm gonna wet it just in one more time and really get off as much makeup with the cotton ball as possible, so you can see. And now is my step to literally just wash my face. So here I go, just a little bit more, doesn't take much. Lather up. You can still go around the eyes a little bit. And then I put a little bit of water through my hands after I rinse. Make sure it's around your face. And then I pat it off with a nice dry towel. Don't rub. And there you go, guys. Don't use those toxic makeup removers or makeup wipes. They're not good. Use a nice clean cotton ball from this. Look at, like, seriously, boom. And then your eyes feel really good. And here's my face, nice and clean.